Sarika ma'am, activity head Sudeshna ma'am, all of you teachers and my dear friends. Today, on behalf of Class 4A, I welcome you all to our special class assembly where we celebrate the rich tapestry of French culture and diversity. Let us embark on a journey to explore the beauty and heritage of France as we delve into the theme French Day. Indeed, Daphne, France is a beautiful country. France, officially the French Republic, is a country located right in Western Europe. With its world-famous cuisine, beautiful villages, sweeping vineyards, and influential culture, no wonder why France is one of the most popular places in the world. But before we showcase the gorgeous splendor of France, let's, with a heart full of gratitude, bow down for the Almighty Supreme blessings. I request you all to stand up. Please join your hands. Is a legacy of the age of enlightenment. The motto liberté, égalité, fraternité. I repeat, liberté, égalité, fraternité. This motto first appeared during the French Revolution. These lines emphasize the idea liberty, equality, fraternity. Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are enrollment in third phase. Clinical trials for India's first dengue vaccine nearly complete, says ICMR. Iga Swiatek defeats Amanda Anisimova to win her first Wimbledon title with 6-0, 6-0 victory. Trump announces 30% tariffs against Europe, Mexico to begin August 1st. The students have returned to school with joy and zeal after the summer break on 1st July. In Class 4A, we learned the concepts by hands-on activities like poster making of one board in EVS and division flower in math. Our school also conducted the investiture ceremony successfully, marking an important milestone on 12th of July. Everyone in school is gearing up for upcoming conference with great enthusiasm. Thank you, my friends. Now, I'd like to invite Amol, Ruhan, and Nahaj for positive affirmation and the weather report. It's going to be a great day. I choose to be happy. I choose to be happy. I attract positive energy into my life. I attract positive energy into my life. I'm grateful for all the
those around me.
I'm a positive influence on all those around me.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jan. Today, I will tell you the weather report. Today's weather report is maximum 32 degrees Celsius, minimum 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Friends, now I'd like to call students who will be sharing their insights on France by some amazing facts.
France. France is known as El Rouge because of its shape. France is also known as hexagon, and the French often use a nickname when they are talking about their country. In France, you can eat a different cheese every single day of the year. France produces more than 1600 different types of cheese. Many different types produced are such as soft, Louis, hard cheeses, etc.
It's illegal to throw out or burn food that is perfectly edible. Since 2016, it has been forbidden to throw food that is still edible. The rule was introduced to prevent food wastage.
Putting a bucket upside down is unlucky. This superstition dates back to medieval time. French people never put a bucket upside down as they believe it is unlucky. The French railway is the second largest in Europe with a total length of 29,000 kilometers. The French railway network is the second largest in Europe behind Germany and the ninth biggest in the world. Fashion in France is an important subject in the culture and country's social life, as well as being an important part of its economy. Thank you. People of France are friendly and love to enjoy life. They like eating tasty food, spending time with family, and going to parks and cafes. Many French people enjoy art, music, and wearing nice clothes. Thank you.
Let's watch a short video on France, a tapestry of ancient cathedrals, buildings in the rhythm of history, woven with art, cuisine, and celebration. Please watch the video carefully as it is followed by a quiz. Ahan, please play the video.
Looking through my globe, Nina, it makes me even more curious about the world.
It makes me dizzy.
Did you know there are about 200 countries in the world today? And I want to know to visit as many as I can. See what's special about each one. Hey, Tiger, put your paw on the globe.
Like this?
France! Fancy a visit? Why not? I finished all my homework.
Hold on, I don't know if I'm ready for a magical road trip. I'm not even packed.
France, here we come. I hope. This is Paris, France.
You're sure it's not Dog City, France? Look at all my fellow Rouges.
Parisians love dogs. Ooh, a cafe. Smell the delicious bread.
What's hello in French?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. I am Apu, the yogic elephant. I hope you don't find it strange talking to an elephant.
Not at all. This is France.
What can we eat that's very French?
A croissant, of course. Bon appetit.
What else can we see in France that's special?
Why, the Eiffel Tower.
To the Eiffel Tower! $2,731 steps! We made it!
the top of the Eiffel Tower?
Steps are great exercise, Tiger.
I love France.
Wow! Look at the view! Amazing!
It sure is.
What's that big building over there? I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh no, goodbye. Au revoir. Notre Dame, or Our Lady of Paris, is one of the oldest and well-known church buildings in the world.
It's Notre Dame Cathedral. Must have taken forever to carve all those statues.
Tomorrow, we head to the countryside at the Palace of Versailles.
A palace! Let's check that out. I have to be home for dinner soon.
I think this is what they mean by a whirlwind tour.
Wow! How grand! Smells beautiful.
And more of my species.
The palace at Versailles was the home of Louis XIV.
That's a big house.
Couldn't fit a whole lot of elephants. Mont Blanc in the French Alps. Want to go before we head home? A birch mountain sounds very special.
So long as we don't have to climb it.
Beautiful. Very. So, we've seen the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, the Palace of Versailles, and Mont Blanc. It's all very special.
My favorite was the French dogs.
Let's have another croissant before we head home. As they say in France, bon appetit.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now some of my friends will conduct a short quiz for the audience.